open.
Hey guys, welcome to my
First,
channel.
we have to do
Today I am going to
African
show
color
you how to
hexagon,
crochet
granny
this
square.
beautiful
So
African hexagon
jump into that.
granny
This
square.
granny, for this granny square, I have to use this acrylic yarn in 3 different colors, shades of colors, and I am using 3 mm crochet hook. Okay. For row 1, we have to make a magic ring. Okay. Magic ring, and then chain 1 and 2. This chain 2 counts as 1 DZ and another DZ in the magic circle. It's the first set, and what you have to do is chain 1 and then make 2 DC in the circle. Okay, 1 and 2, and this is the second set, and then chain 1 and make another 2 double crochet in the circle, and 3 and 2 and chain 1. So 1, 2 and 3 sets of 2 DC in the magic circle. We have to do another 3 set to complete this row 1. Okay, and I am complete my 6 sets of 2 DC in the magic circle, and we have to close the circle, and then to make slip stitch in the chain 2. Okay, slip stitch. And what you have to do is chain 1 and cut the yarn. And let's make a circle, and it's the center part. Okay, join the yarn in the chain 1 space. Now let's start the second row. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this makes a 1 DC, and make another DC in the same chain space, and then chain 2, and make another set of 2 double crochet in the same chain space, 1 and 2 double crochet. Okay, 2 double crochet, and then chain 1 to make 2 sets of double crochet in the same chain space. So 2 DC in the next chain space, 1 and 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then 2 DC, 2 double crochet in the same chain space, and chain 1. So we have to continue this till the end. I will show you another time. Double crochet and another double crochet. These 2 double crochet acts as a 1 set, and chain 2, and then 2 more double crochet in the same chain 1 space. So in between this chain space we have to make chain 1 and continue till the end. Okay, and I am finished my second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 6 sets of these, and then chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. Slip stitch. Okay, so what we have to do is, for third round we have to make a slip stitch in this chain space and start the round 3. Make chain 3 and 2 and 3, make 7 double crochet in the same space. This 3 chain counts as 1 DC, 1 and 2, and we have to do 5 more double crochet in this chain space. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we have to finish our 7 double crochet in the chain space and chain 1 and continue 7 double crochet in the next chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and in between this chain 2 space we have to make chain 1 and continue 7 DC in the chain space, chain 1 and repeat till the end. I'm just finished my round 3 and chain 1 and slip stitch into the third chain, 1 2 and 3. This is round 3, and for round 4 we have to chain 1 and cut the yarn. And I'm using white yarn. What you have to do is, for round 4, join the yarn in this round, I mean 1 to second round. Okay, join the yarn in this round 2 and make chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Okay, 3, and then make 7 single crochet. In the previous round we do 7 double crochet in this chain space, so for this round 4 we have to make 7 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so 7 single crochet in this one and do 1 double crochet in this chain space of round 2. Okay, this chain space, so 1 double crochet and continue making 7 single crochet in this 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and do 1 double crochet in the chain space of round 2. Okay, continue this pattern till the end. So I am finishing this round 4 and slip stitch in the third chain. And for round 4 I have to make chain 3, 1 2 and 3. This counts as 1 DC and 1 DC in the next stitch, 1 2, and another double crochet in the next stitch. So for next 3 stitches we have to make 3 double crochet and then make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet in the same stitch. This makes a corner for this granny square. Okay, and then make 7 double crochet in the next 7 stitches. I did 1 double crochet, 2 2 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Finished 7 double crochets and then do corner stitch. For that you have to do 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so this makes one set, and do 7 double crochets in the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So finish another 7 double crochets and then do my corner stitch. For that you have to do 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet in the same stitch. This acts as a corner, and we continue this pattern till the end. And I'm finished my last set of corner. Then do 1 double crochet, 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. We finished 4, 5, 6, 7, and then corner. Okay, and then slip stitch in the third chain. Chain 1 and cut the yarn.
And that's our African flower tiny square hexagon is done. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.